Everyone just pray for these guys.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for north central White County in central Arkansas, west central Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, south central Independence County in north central Arkansas until 9:15 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles southwest of Rock, or 11 miles north of Searcy. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Rock, Pleasant Plains, Oil Trough, Newark, Velvet Ridge, Theta, Sunnydale, Roosevelt, Providence, Possum Grave, Oliphant, Max, Paddington, Gray, Dewey, Denmark.